VJK Live.
Taking my time on my ride. Hello, Akbar!
Alright guys, it's your boy V here from VJK Live. Today I think I'm gonna blow some shit up. As you just saw at the start of the video. Yeah, I'm not gonna care about scoring. I might care a little bit, but my main aim is gonna be to blow people up. Let's see how much we can get. Hopefully, well, I'll try 10 in one game. I might be unlikely because I kind of suck at blowing up people. Yeah, I'm gonna use this pink beast. That's the name. You got the sweet tooth wheels, the flowers, as this decal unicorn, and you got a heart thing in it. And we got some pink ass trail. You'll see it when I start playing. Alright, let's do one ranks. One ranks. Alright. Let's go. I tried. I fucking tried. This is fucking terrible, mate. What am I doing? That was actually such a sick pass. This is fucking terrible. This is some bullshit right here. Oh, can I squid this? Alright, this is a fucking terrible start, bruh. I blew no one up. For fuck's sakes. I might have to leave this match still. I might just have to leave this match. That was a sick pass by me though.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay. Nice stuff, mate. Maybe I need to take the shades off because I'm not seeing properly, fam. Bullet shot. No problem, no problem. Oops. Alright, I'll blow up the next game because this ain't running right now. No, I missed the blow up. How? GG, lads. Alright. Now let's blow some shit up. Like I had to play a match to like increase my morale. Oh, Chloe, we are blue, so I need to be blowing up red. See, that's what I should be doing. Going for that guy. Look at him. Look at that fucker. Look at that fucker. Oh, he's not moving. Oh, he's not moving. All right, you're fucked.
Nope.
Yeah. What in the fuckery? How? Finally? What the fuck? Man, that was a spectacular save. Yeah. Yep. You're welcome, mate. You're fucking welcome. You piece of shit. Better if you just left it to me, but you scored. I should not be complaining. You did fucking well. I blew up 2 people this game. I don't know if the first one counts, but I blew up 2 people, and I started wanting 10. 8 more to go. Let's fucking do this. See, I still kept on ball cam just in case. Oh! Wait for it, the knee. Shit! Oh my god. Nah. I'm too gully with that one. That was a madness. How am I playing this big ass man? It feels nice as well. Alright, who's getting blown? Who's getting blown? Woo! Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here. Up in motherfucking here. Shit! Thank you. Great pass. Great pass. Just right. Just the bottom corner. Easy stuff. All day. Every day. Alright, go on, Tory Black. I blew up 3. I got 7 more to go. Go on, fella. I honestly did not mean that. It just fucking happened. That's gonna go to the goal. What a save! What a save! But why am I trying? I should really be blowing niggas up, man. Should be blowing up niggas. You know the ones where you don't like. Oh, that was a save. That was a save. You know the ones where you don't like losing, mate. Then that happens. Fuck. I want to blow you the fuck up. Come. Oh, you swerved out. You swerved out of the way. You saw it coming, didn't you? Oh, Dorken. Please don't. No way. Oh wait. Can I?
Kuna!
Oh, can I?
Kuna!
Really? I had no faith in them actually hitting it because they were in a rush. Oh, this guy doesn't know I'm coming. He has no idea.
Allahu Akbar!
Only wait, 6 left. 6 left. Oh, no boost save. No boost save. No boost save. Alright, who's next? You're next.
Nope.
Yeah. Bruv, but please tell me you guys saw that. That guy just dodged it doing a backflip. Fuck that. That's bullshit.
Nope.
That is bullshit right there, mate. I got 5 more people to blow up. Can I?
Kuna!
Alright, let's go. Let's go then. Woo! Shit! Ah! In the air. He knows it's coming. He knows it's coming. They all know it's coming. I'm being a prick this game. So
Gotcha, bitch!
I like that guy. I really do. I really like that guy.
Gay!
Oh, come on. I thought you could hit that up. That was fucking terrible, cuz. Great pass, mate. Great fucking pass. This guy, you're my target, right? You, right there. I want you. I want you. You didn't blow up, but there's someone in the goal doing nothing. Ah, oh yeah. There we go. That's one. It counts. I didn't say they have to be standing up or anything today.
Oh no.
I know.
If I get a wall blow, oh. It was a valiant effort, as one would say. Thou shalt not cross the bridge of the horse's back. Google it. It means something. Get my boost and get this nigga in goal.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I don't even know what I did. I just done some freaking bullshit in the air and it worked.
Hey Dad,
No.
that's a cool whip.
Get out my way. Is that 3 or 2?
Nope.
2, 3?
Nope.
I think it's 2. I'm gonna say 2.
Kill yourself.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.
So that happened. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Suck it to me. I swear to God, that was fucking terrible. That was actually a lob, if you guys didn't believe me. Ma, come on, that's you. Good stuff, bruv. That was long. That was long. I want to make the comeback with it because these people are not even good. Fuck. Ah. GG, I guess. I guess. I need to get them from the back. Because if they see me coming, that's it. It's GG. 1. Two.
Alright, this has been your boy, VJK Live. I tried my best. You've seen, but I was missing left, right, and center. I was like, fuck it, I give up. It's over. Time is done. Alright, so I would see you next time. Like, subscribe, and penis. Enos. I don't know what the fuck that was.